Video 43. How to choose drawing into drawing frame. On the toolbar, choose Layout Command element. The ALLPLAN displays a dialog box. We will adjust all the parameters, as well as select the source drawing from the dialog box. In the dialog box, select the source drawing board. Select the icon. ALLPLAN shows the dialog box of drawing numbers in ALLPLAN design. Select the drawing to be displayed in the drawing printing mode. Here, select the floor plan drawing to show. Click OK to exit the command. The drawing does not show, but on the screen frame only shows the rectangle. Left click on a blank area of the screen. The drawing should appear on the screen. Press Escape to exit the command. Move the drawing you have just drawn to the already created drawing frame. On the screen that shows you have selected the source drawing into the drawing frame. Next, create the name of the drawing on the right corner below the paper size. Depending on each project, a name frame different drawing. Here I will make available for your reference. View the operations performed on the display screen. Next, instructions to save the name of the drawing. Left-click 2 times on the screen. Display the dialog box. Drawings are displayed in red. Name the drawing by clicking twice on the number of drawings, here. The drawing needs to be named Ground Floor 1. Click Close, Exit command. Do the same as selecting the next floor drawings in drawing print mode. I invite you to watch the next video. It's a guide on how to export the format in ALLPLAN.